Merci, Monsieur Kedi. And now we have the last speaker in the list for this discussion, Mrs. Pashayeva. Please, you have the floor.
Mr. Chairman, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to express my gratitude to Mr. Tokayaka for his detailed and comprehensive speech. I completely agree with the opinion of the speaker on the impact of forest fires taking place annually in Europe, especially in its southern part, on the environment, ecology, and support his proposals made in the draft resolution. However, in Azerbaijan, a part of Europe, the situation goes from bad to worse because 250,000 hectares of Azerbaijani forests are under occupation of Armenia and separatist regime of Nagorno-Karabakh. This means 1/4 of the forest area of Azerbaijan. Over a decade, forests in the occupied Azerbaijani territories have been burned. Variable tree species are cut and transported to Armenia and to many world countries. Many forests have been burned by the occupying forces, which causes serious negative impact on the environment. The occupied Azerbaijani territories and, in the true sense of the word, subjected to ecological terror, the consequences of which should arouse everybody's concern. And Mr. Tarasyan have to speak right because he is head of Armenian delegation in PASE. Yes, starting the June this year, the Armenian forces and separatist regime of Nagorno-Karabakh caused mass conflagration, having set on fire the occupied Azerbaijani territories. The situation is particularly pronounced in occupied villages of Ağdam, Fizuli, Jabrail, Tartar, and Khojavend regions. These fires have covered thousands of hectares territory occupied by Armenians and also spread to territories controlled by Azerbaijan, causing serious impact to flora and fauna. As a result of fires lasting over 20 days, approximately 15 villages of the Ağdam region have been completely destroyed. 1,000 hectares of vegetation have been completely extinguished. Historical and cultural monuments, religious places, residential areas have been destroyed. Karaçkur, in the occupied Khojavend region, the Afsharlar Cemetery being an ancient historical and cultural monument, and Nergis Tepe, Richi's monuments have been completely burned alongside with monuments related to the second millennium before Christ. Our delegation has applied to the management of Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe and submit confirming photos and video tapes, and we also can present these materials to any interested national representative. According to calculations, only as a result of last fires, the environmental damage constituted millions US dollars. And yeah, the Armenian officials play a special role in such development of the situation. In a situation when direct negotiations between the Azerbaijan and Armenian presidents are held and continued with participation of OSCE Minsk Group, the Yerevan officials permanently visit the Nagorno-Karabakh, being under the occupation of Armenians, and aggravate the situation by making statements negatively impacting the peaceful negotiations and even causing greater aggressiveness of the separatist regime of the Nagorno-Karabakh, stimulating their aggressive actions against Azerbaijan. For instance, on May 8th, on the day of occupation of Shusha town, President of Armenia, Robert Kacharyan, sent a letter of congratulation to the separatist Armenian regime of Nagorno-Karabakh. Prime Minister of Armenia, Andranik Margaryan, Minister of Defense and leader of the Council of Security, Serge Sargsyan, having come to Shusha and spoken before Karabakh separatists, made statements negatively impacting the peaceful solution of the conflict. The statements were spread by means of mass media. A little earlier, Minister of Defense of Armenia participated in the military exercises conducted by the separatist regime on Nagorno-Karabakh and voiced statements calling to aggressiveness. All these facts show that the official Yerevan ignores the resolution number 1416 of the Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe, adopted in 2005, and for resolutions of United Nations Security Council. The resolution number 1416 of the PASA says that the Armenian armed forces should withdraw from the occupied Azerbaijani territories and ensure safe and secure return of internal displaced persons and refugees to their homeland. However, up to now, Armenia hasn't fulfilled the obligations undertaken before Council of Europe, and its armed forces not only don't withdraw from the occupied Azerbaijani territories, but even burn these territories, causing serious damage to the environment. Taking into consideration all these facts, we request the Parliamentary Assembly of Council of Europe to take concrete measures in order to prevent such cases, and we hope that it will be satisfied the request. Otherwise, this region can turn into an ecological disaster area that would impact Europe. Thanks.